Meaning of excited.
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 Excited. The term excited typically refers to a state of heightened emotional or mental stimulation, often characterized by feelings of anticipation, enthusiasm, or joy. When someone is excited, their heart rate may increase, they may feel more energized or restless, and they may exhibit physical signs like tapping their feet or moving quickly. This state of excitement can be triggered by a variety of things, such as receiving good news, achieving a goal, or simply experiencing something new and interesting. Overall, being excited can lead to positive outcomes and create a sense of invigoration and happiness.